everyone, welcome to Creative 404. My name is Alexandra and I'm teaching Barbie how to do some videos today. She is super great. Oh my god, we're going to do an unboxing of a doll for a doll. So let's get started. Dolls for Dolls is not a new concept. It is just something that I have recently been really interested in. Barbie is my little best friend right now and she is super excited to open up her first doll on camera. Okay, Barbie, I hope you're excited. Let's see what we have to unbox today. What do you got there? Ooh, I see a Mini Lalaloopsy called Jewel Sparkles. This is going to be super exciting. Let's open her up right now. Just checking up on Barbie right now. She's finally got the doll coming out. Oh my god, it looks so nice. The packaging is so lovely. It almost has like a sort of matted feel, so definitely something to look forward to. I'm going to help Barbie out a little bit. She's kind of struggling. It is a little bit of a difficult task for such a small doll. But let's see. I wanted to really show you guys what is on the back. Look at that. Jewel Sparkles was sewn on March 12th. She's sewn from a real princess dress. Her personality is graceful and a bit bossy. She is super cute. Look at that. Oh my god. And you gotta collect them all. Look at that. Pretty. Oh, but look at this in the side. I was really excited to see this. Oh, sweet fare. We got sweet candy ribbons, crumble sugar cookie, and scoop waffle cone. I really want the Neapolitan Lalaloopsy. Oh my god, she looks cute. There's more on this side. We have the cloudy skies, stormy skies, confetti carnival, April sunsplash, pixie flutters, and then Jewel Sparkles, which is the one that we have. Love the packaging, super soft. Oh my god. I'm gonna grab this, Barbie. You can finish the rest. Thank you so much. Let's see what happens next. Barbie is now giving her Lalaloopsy a hug. I adore it. Look, her little feet dangle. Look at that. That's so cute. I love the pink hair. It's very almost translucent. It is super cute. She also comes with these adorable little hairbrushes and mirror. This is adorable. And then there's the little hairbrush. And then she has a little perfume bottle, which is so cute. Oh my god, Barbie. Barbie's messing around with the kitty cat too. Oh my god, but Barbie, I think you're missing something. There seems to be some hidden surprise when it comes to the packaging. Let's check it out. It looks like Barbie has discovered the packaging turns into a little stage. How exciting is that? Barbie, you're kind of in the way. Do you mind if I move you just a little bit? I want to show everybody the stage. Look how cute that looks. Oh my god, I know you love your doll. Look at this. It has little thimbles and little topiaries. It is super cute. It has little stick out little bushes. It is a great thing to look and play. Here, Barbie, let's play. Can I see your dolly just for a second? Oh my god, she is so cute. Oh, I love her. I love her little feet. Look at that. Barbie, I think you did a good job. Look at this little Lalaloopsy. Oh, it's so cute. I can sit with you. Did you know that? You haven't put her down for a second. Look at that. And then she has her little dolly, her little kitty cat. Oh, let's see. Look at that, guys. Barbie, you did a good job. I love this little Lalaloopsy. Hello everybody, Barbie and Jewel Sparkles and I want to wish you very warm feelings. We really appreciate you watching this video with us. If you like these types of videos where Barbie opens her own dolls, let me know. I really would appreciate the feedback. Please leave it in the comments down below. And if you got to the end of this video, don't forget to give it a like. It really goes a long way to supporting this channel. Also, if you'd like to see more content like this, I, Alexandra, make a lot of video vlogs and podcasts and things that have to do with doll-related items, as well as unboxings. I love to do things about my Etsy store, which is all about doll-scaled fabrics. If you like to sew or craft for dolls, please let me know. I would love to see you in my store. I will leave a link in the description box below and in the comments if you're interested. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Alright, we are all saying goodbye now. Say bye, Barbie. Yeah, she's already waving. Oh my god, she's so good. Oh, such a good trooper. She's so happy about her new doll. Oh, I'm so happy for her too. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Much love to you. You have my heart. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, goodbye. Please come back again. I already miss you. Bye.